Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to see how to install a Fortran compiler in Linux and use it to compile a simple program. I'll be using Debian Chimera 4, a Debian based Linux distribution. The instructions are the same if you use Debian or Ubuntu or any other Debian based distributions. To do this, we'll need to open a terminal window. You can either open it using your distribution's launcher or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus T. We'll be using the popular Fortran compiler, which is part of the GNU compiler collection. Once the terminal window is open, you can check if the Fortran compiler is already installed by using the command gfortran space -v. If installed, it will print a lot of information, including the compiler version at the end. If it is not installed, you'll get an error message. In that case, you'll have to install it by using the command sudo apt install gfortran. You'll have to enter your password and press enter. Then the installation will start. Once the installation is finished, you can run gfortran space -v again to get information about the compiler. Okay, now that a compiler is installed, we'll need to write our program. You can use your favorite text editor for this, but I have already written the program and here it is. It will print the simple text "Hello World" in the terminal window. We'll now save and exit Vim with the :wq command. Let's now proceed to the actual compilation step. The compilation command is simple. It is just gfortran space filename. For complex projects, this command can be much larger. We can see that the compilation has finished successfully and there are no errors. Since we haven't specified the output file name, it will by default generate an output executable file called a.out. We can check if the output file exists or not by typing ls space a.out. So if the file is there and it's actually an executable file, so it's colored green. The computer usually cannot read the source code that we have written. It first needs to be converted to a format that the computer can understand. An executable file can be read and run by the computer. Okay, so let's run this output file and see if it does what we have coded. The command for This is dot slash executable name. In our case, it is dot slash a dot out. And this is the result as expected. We are now going to take a closer look at the source code file. We have opened the file using Vim. The first line starts the program with the syntax program space file name. The second line prints the string hello world using the function write. Write takes two arguments, but we are not using them, so instead we are using start for those places. Write is an inbuilt function in Fortran, so we don't have to include it like other languages. The last line completes our program using the statement end space program space file name or program name. This program name has to be the same as in the first line, that is after the program keyword.